Are your game saves corrupted or lost on the PS5 console? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart PlayStation 5. If the game saves are corrupted or lost on your PS5, first restart your device. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power. Choose Restart PS5 or similar option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 2. Update system software. The next thing you should check is that your PS5 system software is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network. Then select Test Internet Connection. Once the test is done, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section. Select Software, Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 3. Delete corrupted data on PS5. The next thing you can do is uninstall and reinstall the game. To uninstall a game on PS5, open Storage, then head to Console Storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the game or app you want to delete and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 4. Restore PS5 game license. The next thing you can do is restore your PS5 game license. To restore licenses on PS5 console, navigate to Settings, then select Users and Accounts. Next, select Other. Then select Restore Licenses. Select the licenses that you want to restore. Method 5. Rebuild PS5 database. Next, you can rebuild database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in the rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take up to 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 6. Report an issue. You can also report an issue to the game developer. For that, you should reach out to the game developer through their support channels or websites. Inform them about the issue you are facing. Additionally, check to see if other players are experiencing the same issue and if there are any known workarounds available. Method 7. Contact PlayStation support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. Clearly state your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when the game saves are corrupted or lost on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.